Welcome to this tutorial on how to add a debit card to Fanduel. In this video, I'll guide you through the full process step by step so you can start using your card for deposits and withdrawals without any confusion. Open the Fanduel app on your phone or go to the Fanduel website on your computer. Log into your account using your username and password. If you're using a computer, look for the profile icon at the top of the screen and click on it. If you're using the app, tap on the account icon. This will take you to your main account page. Here, you will see your playable balance and any shared deposits. Now, find the option that says Withdraw and click or tap on it. On this screen, you will see the Withdrawals and Refunds section. This shows your withdrawable balance, which is the money you can take out from your winnings. It also shows funds from your past deposits that can still be refunded. Now, look at the different payment methods available. You will need to add your debit card here. Select the debit card option and enter your card details. This includes your card number, expiration date, and the security code. After you add your debit card, it will be saved as your payment method for both deposits and withdrawals. Fanduel requires that you use the same method for both actions. This means you cannot deposit from one card and withdraw to another. Fanduel does not charge any fees for using a debit card. However, some banks may treat deposits to Fanduel as cash advances and could charge a fee. You should contact your bank to confirm if they charge any extra fees. Once your debit card is saved, you can now use it anytime you want to deposit money or withdraw your winnings. That's it for this quick guide on how to add a debit card to Fanduel. Thanks for watching.